In this video, we will update our WebMap item thumbnail. So open up the update item thumbnail.py script from the WebMap item folder. The item object has an update thumbnail method, and we're going to head over to documentation and check it out. Here we have the update thumbnail method for the item object. The update thumbnail updates the thumbnail of any ArcGIS item in your organization. It is not specific to web maps. We can use any of the 4 parameters listed below here, but we are going to use the file path. We have a thumbnails folder. In there are 2 thumbnails, and we're going to update our current thumbnail with one of those. The update thumbnail returns a boolean, so we expect true if the update was successful and false if the update failed. Let's go from here to ArcGIS Online. Here I am in the training folder. I'm going to click into we renamed our web map that we renamed in the previous video. On the right hand side, I'm going to copy the item ID because I know I'm going to need that. You can also copy it from here or from your notepad. I'm going to open up our thumbnail folder. Here I am in our thumbnails folder. You can see that our current thumbnail is this FDM WebMap Thumb1, and we're going to update it to the second one here. So let's head back over to PyScripter. We first access ArcGIS Online. We then use the Content Manager get method and supply in our WebMap item ID, which I will do right now. This get method returns an item object, which will assign to a variable called item. This item will now represent our web map. We have set the thumbnail file path here to be our FDM WebMap Thumb2 PNG in our thumbnails folder. And now we want to use the update thumbnail method to update the thumbnail for our web map item. So we call our item object dot update underscore thumbnail, and we want to supply in the file path parameter, and we set that to equal our thumbnail path above. We'll assign the calling of the update thumbnail method to a variable called status. According to documentation, this will return a boolean, so we're expecting true that our update was successful, but we will be returned false if it failed. So let's run the script. We were returned true, indicating that our update was successful. So let's head back over to ArcGIS Online and check it out. We can see the current thumbnail here before we did the update. Let's refresh the page and check out the updated thumbnail. And we can see that our thumbnail has indeed been updated. In this lesson, we use the update thumbnail method available with the item object, and we updated the thumbnail for our web map item.